You asked me once, how do you know when it's time? Coffee gone cold, rain tracing maps on the blind. You laugh too fast, eyes on a crack in the tile, like you could outrun the trembling edge of the sky. If this is the last hand you hold, I swear that I won't let it go. You can lean all your weight on my bones, I'll carry every shiver, every breath you don't. If this is the last hand you hold,
you are not alone. Nurses move slow, curtains breathe in and breathe out. Your voice a thread, tugging the dark from my mouth. You said, don't flinch when I start fading from view. Promise me this, believe I'm walking with you.
if this is the last hand you hold, I swear that